All right, this is the Lee Kum Kee chicken bouillon powder, chicken powder. And I think this stuff tastes great. Comes in an 8-ounce container right here with a top that you can pull off and put back on again. You know, we're used to seeing those. It had a pull tab on the top, so everything arrived packaged safely and stored away safely. And inside of here, you're gonna get this little spoon. I'm assuming that's a teaspoon and tablespoon measurement, like a double on there, which is pretty cool. I usually just use my own spoon to measure it, which is a teaspoon. A lot of people use this for a lot of different reasons. I like to add this to a bone broth, beef broth concoction that I make. Just the taste in here, just really, it makes the whole thing taste better. It has a really strong chicken taste to it. It's salty, which I absolutely love. It really makes my bone broth concoction so much better. So I'll use 1 teaspoon of this, which is 1.5 grams. And when you do that, you're looking at 243 milligrams of sodium, 0.6 grams of carbs, and 0.3 grams of protein. No fiber, no sugars. Absolutely love it. Chicken bouillon powder. Good stuff.